your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, and we have Monica in here with us this morning. And Monica is all the way over here from south of Dublin, Ireland, right?
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes.
Show them a little bit of your Irish accent.
Oh, well, what can I say?
Tell us what you came in here for.
I came in here for a chiropractic adjustment because I felt pressure the back of my neck and my upper spine and my lower spine.
And you've been having
and
leg
I've been
pain.
having leg pains and tingling and numbness.
And pain out to
Then
your right arm
shoulders
and
onto
hand
the
and
elbows.
elbow.
Yep.
So you're just a mess from head to toe, huh?
Exactly, and I knew it.
Yep. And you've been watching us on YouTube over in Ireland, right?
Yeah, for about 9 months to a year.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
great.
so I'm
We
delighted
thank you
to
for
be here.
that. Thank you
Yeah.
for subscribing to our channel, and thank you all for subscribing. Okay, let's have you flex your head forward and backwards for me, Monica. And then back to neutral. So you got some limited extension there, and it kind of kinks up when she goes in extension. And then her head's forward and to the left. She's also rotated here. Her right shoulder's out in front of her left shoulder. Her pelvis has translated to the right on the x-axis. She has very little room here versus a lot of room over. No, don't move your arm.
Sorry.
It's all right. Okay, let's go back on your tummy. Now we've already done her orthopedic neurological evaluation and case history, so all right, come to a diagnostic conclusion on her subluxation complexes. The left leg is short by 1/2 inch in this position. However, when I bring it up, it gets even, and that tightens up in your lower back and pelvis, doesn't it?
Mhm.
And your thighs?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My thighs in particular.
Uh-huh. And she's got bilateral SI joint subluxations. So I'm going to start there. Let's slide down this way just a little bit for me, Monica. There you go. Now she's had chiropractic adjustments over in Ireland. So she's going to get some Johnson chiropractic technique today. And it helped her, by the way, which is a good thing. You've been involved in several whiplash injuries too over the years, haven't you?
Yes.
Since the 70s.
Yes.
Not many of them out there remember the 70s like I do. Oh, and Monica was referred in here by her son Garth. There we go. Boy, Crack-A's gonna love you. Atta girl. Mm-hmm. See, I have to go back and get those stubborn ones.
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to feel your head pop up a little bit. There we go. Let's turn you on your back now, please. Now, I've already checked her for vascular insufficiency or compromise, and she didn't have any positive tests there. George's test. She has no nystagmus in her eyes when her head's turned. Okay, let's put your arms straight out to the sides, palms up. There we go. So Garth, thank you for referring your mom in here.
Actually, Mom referred Garth.
Oh,
You referred him. Oh, okay.
And then he referred her.
I got you. So he was the guinea pig, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
But everything I do, I look for how it can help Garth first.
Oh, there you go. That's a good mom. There you go. Good. Let's lay back on your tummy for just a moment. I want to recheck something. She's been wearing that's about a 1/4 inch heel lift.
And a 1/2 inch for walking.
And a 1/2 inch when she walks. However, look at her leg length now.
I can feel it.
It's even. Does this tighten up as much as
No.
that first one?
No.
So today, when you leave here, I want you to not walk on a heel lift.
Perfect.
I want you to walk without that because your legs are even now. Okay, let's come over here on this table. I'm going to give you your first ring dinger.
I'm looking forward to this.
I'm
Here,
looking
you
forward
wipe
to
off
this.
the end of the table here. There we go. Did you want to do this on her? Slide down this way a little bit. And we don't encourage y'all to be playing your Houston chiropractor at home. Should be done by a professional. Yes, ma'am. I'm gonna put this squeeze on you.
My mom was like, if you come here, you know if you lost weight because you can put them in more each time.
That's right.
There's no moving that pelvis out of place.
No, ma'am. I got you locked in. You're not going anywhere now.
Surely not.
Now, she doesn't have any patellar reflexes to speak of. There's just has to be about a 0.5 on a 2 scale. And I did doc. She doesn't have any Achilles reflexes either. But she's had lumbosacral radiculopathy in the past from degenerative disc disease. Okay, just breathe normal, hon. There you go. Yes, ma'am.
God almighty.
Yep.
Oh,
He's right here with us right now.
oh, sorry.
That's all right. Keep breathing.
Bless your heart. Bless your heart.
Now look at that. Look at that reflex on the left.
Feel it.
Yep.
Oh, do I have a spine after
You
that?
feel a little taller now? Okay, let me have your neck, hon. There you go. Wiggle your right big ear. There you go. Nope, you gotta wiggle your left big ear now.
Oh, right.
Okay, there you go.
Wow. Wasn't expecting that.
You have got your first full body adjustment. I'm gonna adjust your feet now too, actually.
Wow, that was intense.
That was. I felt that right down there.
All the way down there where
Right
you got
down
those
to the
degenerative discs.
Sacrum.
Yep. She's probably one of the most educated patients we've had coming in the door.
She was a nurse, so.
Oh, you're a nurse too. So
Oh, I'm
that
retired
helps.
now. No, I'm just.
So how does the medical profession feel about chiropractors
Oh.
in Ireland?
I was just telling Renee, no way.
Well, that's their problem.
Absolutely not.
Well,
It's changing a little, but orthopedic surgeons don't particularly like you.
no, because we take business away from them. When you're in here getting well naturally, they're not doing their surgeries.
That's true.
Okay, let me have this.
All right.
There you go. Okay. Get around
And
front
Garth certainly feels the difference.
here. Oh yeah.
He said, "Oh, I know now what he's talking about." He hasn't had his adjustment this week. He
Oh.
said he won't have it for 5 weeks.
Uh-oh, he's out of town.
Yeah, he's home.
Oh, he's in Ireland.
Yeah.
So you're here in Houston. He's over in
Yeah,
Ireland.
we swap.
You swapped out. You trust him not having big parties at your house?
No, he's not able.
Oh, okay.
He's too old now.
Oh, okay. Let's stand right here in front of the mirror. You're in Houston now, so we're gonna shoot you.
Oh, yeah.
Let's have you flex your head forward and backwards again, Monica. Now see, that didn't kink up as badly.
It didn't, no.
Pull those there. I'm gonna bring that straight back here. You're gonna feel a little tap right there. Another little tap right there. Okay, relax your head a second. I'm actually gonna get down here in this lower cervical and I'm gonna bounce your muscle spindles. This is the Golgi tendon apparatus in the muscle spindles. It'll lengthen the muscle fibers. Okay, so when you go forward and backwards again, tell me what this feels like compared
Oh,
to
that's much looser.
smoother.
Smoother, yes.
Good girl.
Yes, that's much
All right. Well, Monica, this is your very first experience here at Advanced Chiropractic Relief. How would you describe it to our YouTube fans around the world?
Well, I just think it's fantastic. I feel so free in my whole spine, my whole body.
Yeah? You feel better than when you walked in the door?
Oh, much better. And that ring ding or something else.
It is
I will
something else,
never
isn't it?
forget that.
Yeah. Oh,
I
that's
felt
just
it
number
shoot.
one.
I felt it shoot right
You're
down.
going to be here for a week or two, right?
I'll be here until May.
Yeah. So we're going to see you
Yeah,
again,
oh,
right?
you will see me again, and I look forward to it.
Okay. Well, what do you want to tell your friends over in Ireland?
Oh, look at if you ever have a back problem, straight to Houston. That's it.
All right, y'all heard it there. Straight to your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.
Oh.